This is a second-hand KUBOTA KX040 hydraulic crawler excavator. The KX040 excavator is equipped with the original KUBOTA D1803 engine. The bucket breakup force is 3,315 kgf. The core components are all original. Excavator bucket and matching down clamp. Boom swing function. The working weight of the whole machine is 4,325 kg. Many excavators are flexible in operation. Widely used in construction and farm. Clean and amazing appearance. Power is 29 kW. Good performance, very flexible. Used excavators are more cost-effective.